I've been a voter for the last 10 years.
And I've always thought, what if there is a verification system
which provides proof that I have voted for the candidate
and the party of my choice.
The voter verifiable paper audit trail or VVPat is one answer to all my questions. This is one independent system attached to the electronic voting machines that allows the electors to verify that their votes are cast as intended. Press the blue button on the ballot unit against the name or symbol of the candidate of your choice. Look for the transparent window of the VVPat. Look for the printed paper slip showing the serial number, the name and the symbol of the candidate of your choice. The slip remains exposed for 7 seconds, then it gets cut and falls in the drop box of the VVPat. VVPat, the revolution in the electoral world.
This is a good thing.